Welcome back to Tiny Steps to English. Today, let's get into English speaking practice with kids. This video will guide parents and caregivers on using simple everyday English sentences at home to help children become familiar with English naturally. Let's dive into different scenarios. Morning routine. In this first segment, we will go over some sentences you can use in the morning. These help kids feel comfortable with routines and start their day with familiar language. Good morning. Did you sleep well? A friendly greeting to start the day, letting kids know you are interested in how they slept. It's time to wake up, sleepyhead. A playful way to tell your child to get up using sleepyhead as an affectionate nickname. Let's go, brush your teeth. This phrase gives a gentle instruction, helping kids understand that brushing is part of the morning routine. Can you wash your face? This question encourages the child to complete another part of the morning routine, promoting hygiene. Let's get dressed. Which shirt do you want to wear? Offering choices helps kids feel independent and excited about getting ready. Are you ready for breakfast? A simple way to transition to breakfast, making kids aware of the next part of the routine. What would you like to eat today? This question encourages them to express their food preferences, helping build vocabulary around food. Please finish your breakfast. Encouraging kids to complete their meal politely with please, showing respect. Let's get your shoes on. A casual way of saying put on your shoes, which is essential for going out. It's time to go to school. This phrase gives kids a sense of timing and routine, helping them understand when it's time to leave. Learning time. Here are sentences for learning time, which you can use during activities like reading or counting. These phrases encourage curiosity and build language skills. Let's read a book together. This invitation encourages shared reading, a great way to introduce language and stories. Can you count to 10? Encouraging counting helps them practice numbers. What color is this? Asking questions about colors helps kids build vocabulary and recognize colors. You are learning so fast. Praising their progress builds confidence and keeps them motivated. Let's draw a circle. Simple drawing instructions teach shapes and build motor skills. Do you know what sound this letter makes? Helps kids connect letters to sounds, a basic reading skill. Can you say this word? Encourages pronunciation and vocabulary practice. Let's learn a new word today. This keeps them curious and excited about learning. You are doing a great job. Positive reinforcement boosts their motivation to learn. Do you want to practice again? Gives them a choice to repeat, reinforcing learning through repetition. Next, let's cover playtime phrases. These help you interact with your child in a fun way, encouraging creativity and engagement. Do you want to play with blocks? Asking kids about their interests make them feel included in choosing activities. Let's build a tower. A fun way to suggest building something together which encourages teamwork. Can you find the blue car? This question encourages them to recognize colors and specific objects, which builds vocabulary. You did a great job. Praising their efforts builds confidence and makes them feel accomplished. Let's draw a picture. A simple suggestion that encourages creativity and helps them develop fine motor skills. What color do you want to use? Asking for their choice engages them in the activity and helps them practice colors. Let's play outside. A clear way to transition from indoor to outdoor play. Catch the ball. An energetic phrase that encourages physical play, coordination, and following directions. Do you want to play hide and seek? A playful suggestion for a game encouraging social skills and physical activity. It's so much fun to play with you. Letting kids know you enjoy spending time with them builds a positive bond. Snack and mealtime conversations. Let's move on to some simple sentences for snack and mealtimes. These phrases help create a positive eating environment. Are you hungry? A basic question to ask if they are ready to eat, helping them recognize feelings of hunger. Let's wash our hands before we eat. This reminds them of good hygiene and makes hand washing a regular habit. What would you like for a snack? Encourages kids to make choices and practice naming food items. Here is some fruit. Do you want more? Offering options and asking if they want more helps build vocabulary around food and quantities. Please sit down while you eat. A polite reminder for them to sit safely while eating, promoting table manners. Is it tasty? Encourages kids to describe their food, which helps them express their preferences. Would you like some water? Offers hydration and reminds them to drink water with meals. Do you want a second helping? This teaches them about portion control and expressing when they want more food. Let's clean up the table. A phrase to encourage tidying up after eating, helping them learn responsibility. Thank you for eating nicely. Praising good table manners reinforces positive behavior. Evening and bedtime routine. To finish up, let's go over phrases for evening and bedtime routines. These phrases make kids feel comfortable and prepare them for a good night's rest. It's almost time for bed. This gentle reminder prepares them for bedtime. Let's put on your pajamas. A clear instruction to transition into sleepwear. Did you have a good day? Encourages reflection and builds a habit of sharing daily experiences. Let's read a bedtime story. A relaxing phrase that creates a soothing bedtime ritual. Time to brush your teeth. A simple reminder for personal hygiene before bed. Do you want a good night hug? Offers comfort and makes them feel loved before sleeping. I'll tuck you in. Tucking them in provides a sense of security. Good night, sweet dreams. A warm way to end the day on a positive note. I love you. See you in the morning. A phrase that reassures them of your love and presence. Sleep tight. A friendly, comforting phrase for a peaceful night's sleep. Well done. Practicing these sentences daily can help make English a natural part of your child's day. Keep using these phrases and you will notice your child's language skills growing. Thank you for watching and happy learning.